Hello, my name is Ned Ferm. I'm an endorsing artist at SaxWorks here in Denmark, and today I'll be testing out the Master Series SML tenor with a DaVinci ligature. For me, like Selmer horns, they lock me into playing in a very pinched way, and I find that I end up giving control of my sound over to the horn, especially in the upper range. And I'd say that con horns for me are kind of the opposite in that they lock me into playing in with a huge sound in a not so controlled way, which I prefer to the Selmer sound, but it's still I miss some control. And I find that with the King, and as I've discovered today, the SML horn, the action is great, the key setup is great, there's something familiar about it, and sound-wise, I get the freedom that I'm looking for. So I don't feel like the horn is dictating my sound to me. The whole point of the Master Series, right, is to completely customize the horn to the player. So in this case, Anas has done that for himself, and I can feel, I can say that I know exactly how your hands are now because of how close and far away things are from one another. So one of the very, very cool things about getting this Master Series is that you know it's going to be completely customized to your reach, your grip, every angle and nuance in your hands. And I've learned a lot about the person that this horn was built for in playing it today. I can say that one of the most daring things I've ever seen is someone having the guts to cut a saxophone here and re-angle the bottom. So it's much more comfortable to hold, especially to the side as I play. Everything is popping, closing, sealing as it should. Another new experience for me was the Danish hardwood on the pearls, which has a very special textural quality to it. It's not slippery as I expected it to be. It's not sticky in a bad way either. But you can find the pearls, you can feel them, and it's very pleasant. I don't think I ever played on wooden pearls before, but it's been a beautiful experience, and they look totally fantastic as well. So yeah, in closing, I would say that this Master Series is, I mean, I don't know if it's possible to say beyond one of a kind. It's the ultimate unique experience, and absolutely worth every penny. Every hour that Anas puts into his work is fantastic, and it results in a world-class, outstanding, and innovative product. I would almost kill to have one of these made for my hands. but it's a joy to play on this one.